All right, waiting to go live here. There we go. Okay. All right, guys. I know it's been a while since I've been here. I want to show you something here in Luban software. If you don't know what Luban is, Luigi Chen has developed the software. It's amazing. Okay, I mean, that's basically all I can say is it's amazing. So, gonna dive right into this. This is what is the finished product. I want to show you what the original photo looks like. Okay, so this would be the original photo, and the reason why this photo looks this way is because this photo is grainy. Looks like it's a scan photo. Okay, this is the same photo, but edited a little bit. Now, you're probably wondering, how do you do this within Luban? It's actually really simple. So what we're going to do here, get rid of all this. Okay, don't mind my desktop. We're going to come in here and we're going to go to File. We're going to invoke a 2D window. We're going to open this up and we're going to basically load now the picture. So we're going to load the JPEG. Okay. Here's the JPEG photo. We're going to go to Tool and we're going to go to Threshold and we're going to say Manual. Okay. Now you can scroll all the way up, we go all the way back, but balancing it out right there is about the best you want to do. And you can say preserve high, or you can say preserve low, or you can just leave them unchecked. I prefer unchecked. Click OK. That's what you get. Now, save that, okay, which I've already done. You saw that. So then I'm going to come back here to this one. And the way you get to here is you go to Create, Photo Magic. It'll come up here in a second. All right, well, it's not going to come up. So let's go ahead and kill that. And then open back up. There we go. All right. So File, Create, Photo Magic. Let it do its thing. And then right here. So we're going to say Cutter. We're going to browse. I want to pull the PNG file, the one I saved just a minute ago. And that's what it's going to come out to. Now, if you want the stamp, you do separate. Okay. Your inner clearance, normally he has it as a 1. And you'll see that you get a little bit more variance here around it. That's what I would actually prefer. So that way you get a little bit better fit when the stamp is printed out. You can do your depth, change all the base thickness, etc. I leave them as they are. So now you just save the model. I'm going to go into beer mug. I'm going to save it as a different one this time. And here is what the end result looks like. So here's the stamp. And here is the outer. Now, I particularly don't care for this part, so I'll have to probably change that up and stuff. But you can do that really quick, really easy with Luban. Luigi has actually gone ahead, and if you email him, and I'll put this in the links here, if you email him with today's secret word, cookie, and you buy a 1-year license, you get 5% off. If you do a lifetime license, you get 10% off. There's a lot more to the software, model cutting, imaging. The new, he's got a new tattooing one you can do, lithopanes. Lithopane, and I'll go through that really quick. So create lithopane. Comes up and I'm going to do just a flat lithopane, browse for a photo, do bull market. Okay. So right there, and you can say backlight off, backlight on, and this is basically your lithopane right there. You can export it. You can say if you wanted to do an arc, um, you know, you can rectangle it, cylinder it, so where it's a complete cylinder. I mean, the thing with this is just unimaginable, and he's always updating it. So give it a look. Give it a look. Like I said, I'll put the links in the description here, and check it out if you haven't already done so. Talk to you guys later. Bye.